Welcome to day 2 of the College List Challenge. My name is Mosley of Mo Advice. Today we'll be focusing on knowing yourself, finding out your interests, your goals, and your learning style. College is an investment. It's an investment in you, right? But before we start talking about applications, financial aid, rankings, we need to talk about you. What do you want from this journey? What are your hopes? What are your dreams, right? We cannot build a college list without knowing and understanding what you want, what your interests are, what your goals are. These are your superpowers. You cannot ignore them. If you do, you'll be wasting time and money, and we don't have time for that. So today's tip is get clear on you, right? It's not about choosing any majors yet. It's about asking, what subjects are you good at? What subjects excite you? Do you like calculus? Do you like physics? Do you like art? Do you like swimming? What kind of future do you picture yourself? What do you picture for yourself, right? How do you see yourself? Where do you see yourself? Do you like small classes? Are you better with hands-on learning? Get to know yourself. This will help you greatly with aligning with your goals and the colleges that you are dreaming to go to. So I created a worksheet. It's called Knowing Yourself. It's a 2-page worksheet. You can find it here free. I created a link. You can download it for free. Do the workshop, take a couple minutes and fill it out. It'll help you try and give you a little bit of clarity. Okay, and keep it handy, and it will help you later on this challenge. So I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be talking about college cost and what can you really afford, knowing the difference between a net price and a sticker price. So thank you again for sticking to day 2, and tomorrow we'll see you then. Bye.